Ever struggled with weak sound during your RV trips? Outdoor adventures deserve more than muffled music. Standard speakers often fail in harsh weather conditions. Packing bulky audio gear can be a hassle for travelers. Sound distortion ruins the vibe around the campfire. Long drives need immersive audio, not crackling noise. Setup time eats into your adventure moments. Portability is key, but most speakers are too heavy. Worried about damage from rain or dust? RV owners want reliable and easy-to-use speakers. Introducing the top 10 RV speakers for adventurers. Superior sound quality transforms your travel experience. Durable design withstands outdoor weather and rough use. Portable size makes packing and setup effortless. Enjoy crystal clear music wherever you park. No more worrying about rain or dirt damaging your gear. Quick setup lets you focus on exploring, not fiddling. Lightweight speakers fit perfectly in your travel kit, built to last through countless adventures and road trips. Perfect for campfires, tailgates, and outdoor gatherings. Designed for RV owners, travelers, and outdoor lovers. Upgrade your journey with immersive listening experiences. Every trip feels unforgettable with rich, vibrant sound. Share your favorite tunes with friends and family easily. Travel lighter without sacrificing audio quality. Make every moment outside feel special and lively. Choose the speaker that matches your adventure style. Bring home the perfect RV speaker for your next trip. Enjoy durability, portability, and superior sound anywhere. Transform your outdoor adventures with these top RV speakers. Ready to make your travels unforgettable? Click the link in the description to find out more.